welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to push customer satisfaction prediction machine learning project into your GitHub. As this is a large file, what are all the steps you have to take to push this into GitHub? First of all, you have to create .gitignore file. In this you can mention what are all the files you need to ignore. Second thing, in requirements.txt, what are all the packages you have, you can put over here so that it helps to not to pushing from requirements, we'll be neglecting it. So these are all the major two steps which you're going to do. Next thing, create a repository for this project in your GitHub account. For this, open your GitHub account. Here you can click new and mention customer satisfaction prediction. So this is the repository name. In description you can give this is a machine learning project using customer satisfaction database. So in choose visibility, let it be as public. Right now you don't want to add readme file, and in add.gitignore already we have created gitignore file, hence let it stay this as no. And in license, if you have any license you can choose here, but right now we don't have anything. Just create the repository. So this will give you certain command how to push this code to GitHub. So I'll show you step by step now how to do it. First of all, open your PowerShell by clicking this toggle panel. Here just type git init. I have previously added a repository, so it is reinitializing this git. Once you enter this, just click git remote add origin, this link, press enter. As here says error, remote origin already exists, that is my previous account which I have logged in through this system. So if you want to remove, you can remove. Initially if you are uploading this, you will get no error here, it will just automatically uploads to your file. Once committed, just press git add space dot. This adds GitHub to the staging area, that all the files to the staging area. Press enter. Now here, now you can see it specifies as untracked file. As I have initialized the git, here you can see this untracked file. Now you can see U converted to A, that is file is added. Once git add is completed, just press git commit -m initial commit. This is just a commit message for your GitHub after staging area to push the codes into your repository. Just press enter. So you might see here all the untracked file and added file are completely put into the GitHub. Once it is done, you have to type git branch -m main. So it will create a branch called main in your GitHub, and once all this process is done, just click git origin main. Once all the thing is done by git branch, just enter this command. Let us see what happens. Once you press enter, you can see all the files are pushed. Repository, you can see all the data has been added. Okay, so this is how you push your machine learning project here. Here if you want to add readme file, you can enter like the description of this project. Actually, if you want a more descriptive description for readme file, I'll provide a dedicated video that how to make a readme file for this kind of projects in your repository. In this repository, you can see I have added app.py, which is the main file to run. I'll provide you the link in the description. You can run this project, and if you see git ignore, you have files over here. Okay, the steps what you have to done I'll put in the readme file. You just verify and visit that, and I'll make dedicated video for readme. And moreover, to run this project, you have to just enter streamlit run app.py. Once you enter, the app runs in localhost. This is a great data analysis EDA project which helps a lot in working with multiple functions and customer satisfaction prediction dataset. You can use this project. Just a minute, it is training the model. So this is how your project looks like. I have mentioned overview and EDA dashboard for visualization, and model performance I have added here. Just a minute, it's running. Model performance for confusion matrix, ROC curve, and live prediction by adding ticket description and whatever all this. You can just enter stars. Let me mention it. See, you can see the customer likely. You can change whatever things you want. And dataset viewer. Here only I have protected dataset details. If you want to download dataset, you just click over here. So this is our project, this is how it works, and you can use it for free, guys. So thanks guys, this is it about the video to upload or push your code into GitHub. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.